$10 a gallon, huh?
It's the pain at the pump, you know? Sucks to have a car like this.
I don't think it sucks.
I think I might sell it. That's what today's video is about. This is my brand new Twin Turbo Aventador Roadster that, I don't know, I think it's for sale. Getting 100 octane right now. I put 200 on 4. I don't think it's gonna fill it up. Under, over?
I'm going under.
For those of you guys that don't know, there is a set of turbos on the back of my Aventador Roadster. Now, this car is a car I've wanted to build for so long. When I say so long, I mean like an immense amount of time. It's finally done, but I just bought a Pagani. Like, what am I doing? Like, how many cars do I need, you know? It's kind of becoming an addiction, I think. But this one here, this is the first time I've actually drove it. I did get it a couple of weeks ago, and I went out of town. I did some revs in my garage, threw it up on Instagram. It was super cool, but I didn't actually drive it. And I just got back from opening Cerritos, our first franchise location of HHC, and I thought, what a better way to start out the week than driving this bad boy. You like?
Yeah. I had so many emotions going through my mind. I was scared, but happy, but anxious, and thrilled at the same time.
It's just a small, tiny little pull through first gear. You know, when you have a car like this, turbo, everything's real sensitive. You know, you gotta be very careful because this engine is, I mean, on eBay, they go for 100 grand, right? So imagine how much they actually cost. I mean, it's an imaginable amount of money.
My heart's beating. Oh my goodness. Sheesh.
This sounds good. This sounds f***ing good.
Oh my god, the torque.
This might be fast like the Koenigsegg.
Oh my goodness.
This is good. This is good.
I know this sounds crazy, but I might take this over the Koenigsegg.
No, that's too special of a car to compare it to.
Wow.
This is good.
I'm instantly sweating. I'm
honestly,
drenched.
I might do rear-wheel drive on this car. All right, to give you guys a little bit of context, this is a 2018 Aventador S Roadster. This has the rear wheel steering. This has all the updates for the tech. Everything about the best Aventador is right here in this platform. I decided, obviously, it wasn't enough. I actually bought this car just to send it straight to Dallas Performance to get this twin turbo kit installed. Now, this is not the first turbo kit they've done on an Aventador, but this is the first Aventador S turbo kit they've ever done. So in the back, we have the rear wheel steering, which changes the geometry and actually a lot of the placement for the turbos. So we're literally driving one of the first Aventador S turbo kits on the market. Now, not to mention the top comes off this thing, which is really, really, really rare. That being said, when we take the top off, the sounds that this car is gonna make are gonna be absolutely mental. An Aventador already is visceral, it's violent, it's dramatic. When you take the top off, it accelerates those things to another level. When you had turbos, we're going to unimaginable heights. This is our first drive, and this is a very beautiful, absolutely epic experience of a car. And as you can tell, in Strada automatic, drives totally normal, just like a regular Aventador does. Let's talk about cost. Now, this started out as a $600,000 Aventador S Roadster with, right now, it has 2,261 miles. I purchased the vehicle with about 1,200 miles. So it's essentially a brand new car. Dallas Performance equipped it with a 1,200 horsepower bolt-on turbo kit, which was around $180,000. There's a few upgrades that I added, like a titanium exhaust and some upgraded cooling fans, just a little bit extra because we are in Las Vegas and it's about 99 degrees outside right now, so we definitely want to be the most efficient with the cooling as possible.
Alright, tunnel run, guys.
I have to like just shut up and hold on, you know?
It felt like you weren't even pushing it.
It's, you know, there's obviously traffic, so I'm not going wild. But yeah, it's like, it's really wicked.
My job to like come here every day.
This is great. The best part about this is that like it's so like I don't know, you can just feel it. Like it's wicked, dude. It's like that pop. Oh my god, those flames. I can see the fire behind me.
Slow down. Woo.
Nice. So we had some extra cooling added and all that stuff. Pretty stoked about it. It works very well. Dead center, right at 90 degrees. Air intake temps are a little high because it's obviously hot outside. I do want to add, there's like the system that pipes your air conditioning into the air intakes, which is pretty sweet. This is really good. I mean, honestly, it works really well. Prior to like this extra heat shielding, all this stuff we had, it was hot out here. So, wow, it's good. I like it.